Hi, my name is Allie Wiggins. My husband and I are the owners of Lake Pleasant Collision Center. We're family owned and operated.
Hey, I'm Matt. Welcome to Lake Pleasant Collision Center. I'd like to take a moment and give you a tour of our shop. We offer the most up-to-date equipment from electronic measuring system. It gives exact dimensions of what the frame damage is. We use water-based paint. It's got a better correct color match. A lifetime warranty, so as long as you own the vehicle, your paint will be covered by us.
As a small business, one of our biggest compliments is when you call or come in, you're greeted by myself, my husband, or Todd.
So when you come from the estimate, Todd will be the one that'll come out and help you write your estimate and provide you with a written copy.
One of the things we value most here at Lake Pleasant Collision is our customer relationships. Those relationships have afforded us repeat business, referral business, all of which has been an integral part of our growth.
Here at Lake Pleasant Collision, our goal is to make sure your experience is a pleasurable one.
It's truly the personal touch that matters to us here at Lake Pleasant Collision Center.